Hey gearheads and DIY mechanics! Welcome back to our weekly tools channel. Today, we're diving into two things car owners should keep an eye on: fuel economy and emissions. Monitoring these aspects not only helps you save money at the pump, but also contributes to a cleaner environment. So, let's get started. What is fuel economy? Simply put, fuel economy is how far your car can travel on a single gallon of gas, or liters per 100 kilometers for our metric friends. It's usually expressed as miles per gallon mpg or kilometers per liter kmpl. Understanding your car's fuel economy allows you to budget for gas expenses. Knowing how much fuel you typically use helps you plan your budget and avoid surprises at the pump. Compare car models. When shopping for a new car, fuel economy is a crucial factor to consider, especially with rising fuel costs. Identify potential problems. A sudden drop in fuel economy might indicate underlying issues like faulty sensors or malfunctioning parts. How to monitor fuel economy. There are two main ways to track your car's fuel economy. The manual method. Note the odometer reading before you fill up your tank. Fill up the tank completely and record the number of gallons purchased. Divide the miles driven odometer reading difference by the gallons or liters used. This will give you your mpg or kmpl. Repeat this process every few fill-ups to track trends and identify any changes. Using technology. Many modern cars have built-in trip computers that display real-time and average fuel economy. You can also use mobile apps that connect to your car's diagnostic port OBD-EI to track fuel economy and other vehicle data. Car emissions are the gases and particles released from the exhaust pipe when the engine burns fuel. These emissions can contribute to air pollution, leading to various environmental and health problems. Most countries have regulations in place to limit car emissions. These are known as emission standards and vary depending on the vehicle type and year of manufacture. You can usually find your car's emission standards on a sticker located inside the engine bay or driver's door jamb. How to monitor emissions. While there's no easy way for individual car owners to directly monitor emissions, you can schedule regular emission tests. Most regions require periodic emission testing for older vehicles. This test ensures your car meets the established standards. Look for warning signs. If your car is experiencing issues like rough idling, increased exhaust smoke, or illuminated check engine light, it might indicate higher than normal emissions. In such cases, consult a qualified mechanic for diagnosis and repair. Tips for improving fuel economy and reducing emissions. Practice eco-driving. This involves techniques like maintaining a steady speed, avoiding harsh acceleration and braking, and minimizing idling. Maintain your car regularly. Regular maintenance, including oil changes, air filter replacements, and spark plug checks, keeps your engine running efficiently and reduces emissions. Consider fuel-efficient options. When buying a new car, look for models with high fuel economy ratings and potentially consider alternative fuel options like hybrids or electric vehicles. Monitoring your car's fuel economy and emissions is not just about saving money, but also about being a responsible driver and contributing to a cleaner environment. By following the tips mentioned and taking proactive measures, you can ensure your car runs efficiently and minimizes its environmental impact. Do you have any questions or tips for monitoring fuel economy and emissions? Leave a comment below and let's discuss. Remember, small changes in our driving habits can make a big difference. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.